The best time to learn English, morning or night? Welcome to English Listening Journey. Have you ever wondered when the best time to study English is? Should you wake up early and practice in the morning? Or is it better to study at night when everything is quiet? Today, we'll explore the advantages of learning English in the morning versus at night, so you can choose the best time that works for you. Morning learning, a fresh start. For many people, morning is the best time to learn. When you wake up, your brain is fresh and your mind is clear. You haven't been distracted by work, school, or other responsibilities yet. 1. Better focus. In the morning, your brain is well rested after sleep. This means you can focus more easily on studying new vocabulary, listening to English conversations, or practicing speaking. Research shows that learning early in the day helps with concentration and memory retention. 2. More energy. After a good night's sleep, your body has more energy. This can help you stay motivated and engaged while studying. Morning learners often feel more productive and ready to take on new challenges. 3. Builds a consistent routine. If you study English in the morning, it's easier to make it a daily habit. You can start your day with a short listening exercise, reading an article, or practicing pronunciation. Over time, this routine becomes natural, and learning English becomes a part of your daily life. 4. No distractions. In the morning, the world is quieter. Your phone isn't buzzing with messages, and you don't have meetings or social events. This makes it easier to focus on your English studies without interruptions. Night learning. The power of reflection. On the other hand, some people find that studying at night is more effective. After a long day, you might be more relaxed and ready to absorb new information in a calm environment. 1. Processing the day's learning. Throughout the day, you are exposed to English in different ways through conversations, TV shows, or reading. At night, your brain can review and process this information more deeply. If you study English before bed, you reinforce what you learned during the day. 2. Fewer time pressures. During the day, you might feel rushed to finish work, school assignments, or household tasks. But at night, you usually have more free time. This allows you to practice English at a slower pace without feeling stressed. 3. Creativity and imagination. Some studies suggest that creativity is higher at night. If you enjoy writing in English, practicing conversations, or imagining different scenarios, nighttime could be a great time to study. Your relaxed mind might make it easier to think in English. 4. Sleep and memory. Scientists say that the brain organizes and stores information while you sleep. If you study English before bed, your brain continues working on it overnight. This means that reviewing vocabulary or listening to English audio before sleeping might help you remember things better the next day. How to find your best study time. So, which is better, morning or night? The truth is, it depends on you. Everyone has a different body clock and lifestyle. Here are some tips to help you find the best study time. 1. Experiment for a week. Try studying in the morning for a few days, then switch to night study for a few days. See which time feels better for you. Do you remember words more easily in the morning, or do you feel more relaxed at night? 2. Think about your daily routine. Are you a morning person or a night owl? If you usually wake up full of energy, morning study might be better. But if you feel more focused at night, then choose that time instead. 3. Mix it up. Who says you have to choose just one? You can study new material in the morning and review it at night. For example, read an English article in the morning, then listen to an English podcast before bed. This way, you get the best of both worlds. Final thoughts. The best time to learn English is the time that works best for you. Some people learn better in the morning, while others prefer studying at night. What's important is consistency. If you study a little every day, whether in the morning or at night, you will improve over time. What time do you like to study English? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Keep learning, keep improving, and see you in the next video.